Hello everyone. I'm going to live now for some Bitcoin technical analysis. I want to share this actually so I can start sharing my screen, entire screen. There we go. Infinite sharing. Okay, how do I share this as well? How do you actually get people to go live as well? Anyway, let's go have a look at this. Let's go cooking chicken and all that kind of stuff. Anyway, I'm looking at the Bybit chart here, the perpetual chart on the 30-minute using the CVD. I'm just going to go get a drink whilst we're doing that. Coin M, yeah. Just make sure the settings are all right on that. Get rid of all of these. Because cumulatively, we'll be looking at like, hundreds of millions. Coin M, yeah. Yeah, this is, so this could be like the last dip before we rocket off into the stratosphere. And it's pretty cool to see. Right, there you go. So if I just get up all of the CVD things, CVD aggregated, is it just me and you straight? It is, isn't it? Nice. No, that's not the one. See, I'm going to go on to the 4 hour. I'm going to show you this. How many bloody short positions we have. So this is just for Bybit alone. If I'm going to add in every single one, this is cumulatively across the entire market. Okay. The amount of short positions that we have, 7.5 billion. It's insane. Oh no, minus 14.6. I thought it was more. I thought it was like minus 32. So that data might just keep adding to it as we go along. Yeah. Live, congrats for now. To be honest with you, I haven't actually mentioned that I'm going to go live. But I'm happy to do it now. Do you want any requests, mate, whilst we're here? Do you want me to cover anything? Okay, we'll check back in a second. But we have a parallel channel going on, which is, showing some pretty amazing wow, I need to tidy up my chart here, don't I? Fucking hell. It's had some pretty amazing confluence on it. So, just remove that. Nice, okay. So as you can see on this, it's had support here, 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 all the way. So if a channel has amazing respect, then you should always keep it on the chart. There is another channel I want to show you. I think I've shown this one millions of times, but it is an amazing chart. Let's get rid of those executions. This is back when I was trading it. Okay, cool. I mean, look at that. That to me is pretty amazing. Just the level of like tap, tap, perfect taps, tap in the center, up here, tap, 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 rocket off. Now using 100k as support, and we need to look for the next targets. So what I usually like to do, I'm going to put on my Elliott wave count. Okay. Remove the channels. Just check on that. Nothing comes to mind. I'm working on understanding Elliott wave and Fib confluence and learning harmonics. Yeah, that's good. I think harmonics are really, really good to learn. Obviously, like each and every different thing that you use for technical analysis shouldn't be, let's just say, shouldn't really use it solely, let's just say, just by itself, but you know, with everything else. So yeah, these are the subwaves. So you've got the larger wave of 1, 2, 3, and if we take the, so for this one, I'm just going to hide that for the time being. Hide. I'm just going to show you something. If I put this on log, to get wave 3 as it is, okay, going to go on a 3-day. So to get wave 3, it's obviously the 1-to-1 extension of the 1-to-2. So you get your trend-based fib. Elliott wave's great for this sort of thing. So you take it from the lowest point, 0 to 1 to 2. I'm going to put the 1.618 as yellow. Yellow. This is when I knew this was wave 3 because it tapped it perfectly. If we look on here, you can see like an almost perfect, like literally to the exact dollar tap. I was like, fucking hell, that was amazing. And there's other ways you can get the 2.618 extension too. You can either go for your 2618, if we have that one in here. Yeah. So you can take the 2618 as your next and final for wave 5. So that's why I've got a green box there. So it'll be anywhere between 146 to 130. Well, it's not, it will, but it's highly likely. And this is why I think this is the last dip. Okay. Or, you know, these are the 1, 2 here. Sorry, this is a 1, 2 here, expanding flat. I'm going to show you this. Okay. So if I was to take my 1 to 2 here, oh, yeah, 1, yeah, and then 2 there, and then look for the 1.618. Oh yeah, that was the 1.618 major. So in actual fact, that could be wave 3. Okay. And now we're into wave 4. Yeah, now I get it. I get it now. Okay, and then wave 3 is up there. And then to get your 137k, what you do is you take your trend-based fib from 0 to 1, and then you take it to the end of 3. Oh, sorry. No. So actually, you could see higher because it's changed. It has changed. Fucking hell. If we see 208,000, I just, you know, I think that's a little bit more unlikely. But here is where I think we've bottomed from the top of our wave 3, which could actually be here, to be honest. All right. So the thing is with Elliott wave is very speculative. Okay, so that's Elliott waves. And and fib confluences. Yeah, so if there's multiple fibs that align, then that's great, because if they are aligning, then if the fibs are aligning, then we can yeah. Yeah, so this is a 1, 2. So within this wave, there's going to be 5 subwaves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then an ABC flat or expanded flat. And then within that, you've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, potentially 5. So did we take it to the end of wave 4? We do. Yeah, it's wave 1 to 4, isn't it? A, B, C, W, X, Y, X, Z. Okay. Put it there for the time being. See what happens. So I think it's going to be anywhere in this green box. I'm going to move this box slightly over here now, because I know for it to be within, I don't know for it to be, I think of it to be within, yeah, so 3, 4, and then final wave 5 up here. Oh, 5. Yeah. So and then within that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because we did get a 108. We did get our 108 target. This was a major Elliott wave target. The other one was another major Elliott wave target, 108. So yes. So the 1.618 here would indicate that we've just stopped. My fucking God, how did I not realize that? Oh my fucking God, yes. It's literally on that point. See what the 1.382 is saying. Is that on our... Okay, let me just figure out where I pulled this from. So just from the general 1 to 2. Oh, okay. That's pretty fucking amazing. Because the 1.618 would be the turnaround point for the low there. I know I've pulled a trend base fib time fib before. Let me just find that one out. Let me hide this. I'm going to pull a 1 to 2 trend base fib time, because that's so powerful. I don't know whether you remember, it predicted that drop there using the trend base fib time. What's the thing with this bloody mouse? 1 to 2. Let's do that now. Extend that. Okay. Does that show any confluence whatsoever? No, obviously got that 1 and 2. Got some sort of change there. If I go like this. Come on, bro. Do I need more resolution or something? No, okay. One more try for the 1 to 2. From here, from the bottom here. 2.618 on as well, and the 3.618. How the fuck did I get that last one? Maybe I'll take it up to the 3. And then the 4. Okay. A, B, C. That one makes more sense. And again, I'm just going to move this across a bit. And then this across as well. I think we're very, very close to getting a monumental move to the upside. What happens if you put a trend-based fib time on that? Hopefully I just did what you asked. So, between the 1 and the 1.382. Okay, let me hide that one quick. Trend-based fib on here. I'm just going to get the same results again. 1, 2. Come on, man. Roughly. Okay, 3, 2, 4. Yeah, I do like that. I do like that. Oh, that is the low. Fuck's sake, Seb. Come on. Yeah, that was the one. That was the one I was looking for. The 1 to the 4. The wave 5. Okay, so if we get the 1.618 of that. Yeah. So 0.618 would indicate the start of the uptrend. The 1 to 1 would indicate the pause point, and the 1.618 would indicate either the start of the uptrend or the end of the uptrend. So, and obviously the 1.382 is in this crucial period of time right here. So when is this? 23rd of March? That makes perfect sense. That makes perfect sense. So the 23rd of March is literally exactly when I was thinking the end of the bull market will be. Okay. And where did I pull this from? I pulled that 1 to 4. Okay, so now I'm going to put a very similar Elliott-based, trend-based fib extension from from here to I need to get used to this mouse really. Okay. And can take that off log as well. It's the 1-to-1. Yeah, the 1-to-1 is 107. And that's pretty fucking exact, isn't it? And the 1.618 is 143. So, where's the top of this? 137. Yeah, amazing. Cool. So that is, how did I get this one? 1-to-4, 1.618, yeah. So I think we're pretty much on the turnaround point. Okay. Yeah, so I think wave 5 is going to be coming in right here. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to do some more technical analysis right now on just these other waves, on these subwaves, just to be absolutely sure. Hide, 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 hide. Perfect. Just going to do some more technical analysis because I'm pretty sure this was the 618, wasn't it? Yeah. If that's 1-to-2, then if this is 1, then 2, then fucking hell. We could still be in wave 3. This could still be wave 3. Okay. And we've just pivoted off the 1-to-1. If that is the case, then 143. And then final target of 202. Okay, so if I was to pull this, oh god. If I was to pull, I'm going to mark this level out as a important level, which is 143.576.5. $76.5. Yeah. My fucking god. That could be our first target. And then I'm actually going to put in this one, just figuratively for the time being. Hide this. Like on the 1 week. Look, it's just been up. Up. No retracements. So I'm going to do the trend-based fib one more time. From the low to here, the major Elliott wave, to the 1-to-1, which was around 107. Just so we can see if we can get our 1-to-1 extension. This isn't going to be very accurate, so it's either going to come in fucking hell, if that is actually fact, not fact, but that could be a, so this is the thing again with Elliott wave counts, they're all very speculative. So anyway, it could come in between here and here. So if I just do that one more time, I go on Elliott wave, yeah, and I put in our, okay, yeah, this is what I was doing. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be insane. But would it be insane? But would it be? Would it be insane? Oh yeah, I was putting it from here. My bad. My bad. Yeah, it would be the 1-to-1. So 153. There you go. Okay, cool. Awesome. Glad we got that one out of the way. That should come from here. As a nested 1-to-2. Nested 1-to-2. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jesus Christ. Yeah, in the next month, new all-time high. In the next month. That would be sick. Right. What else should we look at? CVX has been doing pretty fucking amazingly. Oh my God. Obviously not in the last, from here. But holy shit. Came down literally almost perfectly to this PVP. Why have I moved that? It was 1.79, wasn't it? Oh, let's just say 1.81. Maybe these PVPs on. Oh, it's because it's on the day. That's why. Silly Seb. All right. Just going to go back. Wait for these PVPs to load. If they do. Oh, they'll only load back there. Okay. That's fine. I'm just going to change the tick size on that to 50. See how far we go back then. Okay, 22 past, cool. This long position would have actually been stopped out. I remember taking that back in November. Didn't reach the target. Supposed target of 60, wasn't it? 50. So maybe that's actually geared up to do that now, because that's a lower low on price. So actually we could do an Elliott wave count for that, couldn't we? Yeah, let me just readjust this one. Yeah, look at that. 3 naked point of controls on the daily here. Yeah, it was 1.72. Anyway, so this is a 1-to-2 because it's a low. I'm going to take PVP off now. We can actually just see what price we can get on this now. Fucking hell. My God, on log. Is that 0.86? It very much well could be. So that is 1.466, and that one is 0.419. Looking for an AA6 retracement. Is it not on there already? Nope. Okay, thereabouts, but it's literally sitting on that MPOC that we've just marked out on the PVP. So, I mean, that's good for me, like just about for a 1-to-2. So I'm going to put that as a macro 1 to 2. 1, 2. Let me just check this. Let me just check this down as well. So yeah, 1.20. Oh, fuck off, 159. If it goes to 159, that's going to be so fucked. It's going to be insane. But obviously, like, we've just reclaimed the 618, so I think we should work our way within the fib channel as it stands, rather than look at everything else. 1764. Cool. Okay. Let's see how we're progressing through this. So we've got a 764 retest, which has actually offered a really nice bounce. When it came down, did it do anything? It hanged around the 764, retested it and came back up, and now it's just confirming the 0.66 or probably 6.5 if we want to do that bollocks. I was to put a negative fib target on it and a minus 0.866 projection. Minus 0.866 projection, 38. And if we did the trend-based fib, was that also 37 or 38? I'm pretty sure it was 1618. That was 27. That was 27. I'm also going to do a minus 0.64 because it's been hanging. It didn't close below that. So in fact, I'm just going to do a negative bite-size fib. Template bite-size fibs. Here's a minus 0.076. Minus 0.786. Why was I targeting 51? I can't remember, but I have loaded up on this CVX again. So that's good. Jasmine, yes, that's a Jasmine. You love Jasmine, don't you, Stray? Okay. Holy fuck. What's going on with this? I think that was me projections. Okay, right. TPO, do we have any poor lows? Okay, we've left those behind. So I'll pull low on the 30-minute. It is a pull low on the 30-minute. Highly possible you come down again for that one. But there are a fuck ton of single prints up there. I'll go back further. All over here. Fucking hell, that's amazing. Straight, I don't know whether you've just seen that, but that's pretty insane as a bottom. Wow. Okay, so obviously we this is why I think single prints are just insane. That's a perfect tap. Got rid of the poor low. So what could happen? There are no more poor lows below that though. There's nothing really. This is major support, like 0.18, 0.172. Major support. But Let's put the PVP on and put a trend-based fib on. See what we can be targeting. Yeah. Trying to figure out this mouse. Maybe it's got like a swiping function or something. Nope. Huh. Oh, that's to increase the sensitivity. That's pretty sick. Anyway. Do we get any major targets for this? No, let me increase the tick size again. Tick size, tick spiral. Quite a lot of ticks now, so it's not as accurate, but it's fine for now. Okay, 1.618 comes there. Log. Doesn't have to be exact, but probably target around 25.6. If we were to get a bullish rise to the upside. It looks as if we're in the midst of that right now. You know, the last ever dip before the rip, you know. I can't believe, like, all bull market, this has just been down, you know, jazz me. See how Sol's coming along. Sol has been respecting these negative fib targets fucking unbelievably. This was like a test, right? So this was just taken from this to here because it came down and touched the 0.5 because I wanted to see if I could get minus 1.5 and did. So got the minus 0.5 initially from this because it came down to test the 0.5. So projected 0.5 and it just outdid it completely. It came up and came down and tapped the 0.25, projected upwards to the minus 1.25, closed above it and almost tapped the minus 1.5 as well. And now we are consolidating and almost like swing failure pattern that low right there. This is on Coinbase, so I don't really trust that. It's not a .p, is it? Hoping for 0.28 to 29 in the short term. Amazing. Love that. Okay, back on Bitcoin. Right. Okay, yeah, so for Sol, it had an insane rise, but it's obviously gone back down. So again, like this entire thing could just be a 1 to 2 and then now into 3. There's been no ridiculous drop. Anyway, what's the price saying right now? Has it started to break out yet? Not really. It's a Saturday, isn't it? So nothing amazing is going to be happening on a Saturday. Didn't get that drop. If it had dropped then, I would have thought that would be really bearish because we would have come back into this other range here. So here. because I was expecting this to be the top, right? But we came down here and there was some sort of level here. I can't remember what it was, but it was like an MPOC mixed with like, you know, I think it was this rise here. So let me just take this off quick. And the brush, what was that ridiculous pump? I think it was here. It was like several different confluences all lined up. And it was just unbelievable. It was a beautiful trade. What was that pump up to the all-time high? Oh, it was here. Right. Yeah, so it was literally just here, the all-time high. There were like several different confluences like aligning. It was honestly the most amazing trade you could have got on Bitcoin. Let's just extend everything. Nice. Yeah, there was just several different things going on there. It was nice. It was nice. I can't remember where I pulled that from. But yes, that was an amazing one. It's like several different MPOCs as well. So yeah, anyway, that's that. I'm going to go back on the look at open interest as well. So yeah, we've got this going down and we've got open interest. No, sir, I don't want to speak to you right now. Yeah, there you go. Open interest. Open interest. There we go. Oh my God, minus 33.993. Minus 33.933 billion shorts. Are you fucking serious? So yeah, just on Bybit alone, because it's the only one I really trust. All other data is bollocks. Not all other data. So yeah, open interest is going down at this very moment in time. That's really interesting. So like in regards to price, where it's risen, there we go. We can see cumulative volume delta going down, lower lows and lower lows, and open interest going up. And this happens before a rise. The drop in open interest happens before to the upside. So this is what I'm trying to get across here. The low is the big sell-off from the whales and the market makers. The huge drop in open interest before the rise. So we saw one here before the rise, huge drop off in open interest before a rise, and then here the overall low, and that was a minus 1 billion to minus 698. Okay, see what happened here. That was a huge sell-off. This is a huge sell-off as well. Now with this one on Bybit, I'm actually going to take it off because they were hacked. So I'm going to put on everyone else, see if that makes any difference. Yeah, it does. Okay, because I remember that Bybit was hacked yesterday, which would have caused the 1.4 billion sell-off. So I'm going to remove open interest for that, for yesterday. And then look at the overall market as a whole, including CBD. So yeah, before the rise, huge sell-off. We are slightly getting a huge sell-off. We have had a huge sell-off. Rise, drop, huge sell-off. This has been like a seller absorption sort of thing. So they are selling off their Bitcoin to buy it really, really cheap. Really cheap for what we would consider to be a ridiculous amount of price per Bitcoin. So, you know, within the 137 to 150 range initially, all the way to 200. The desk has a rattle. Yeah, I know the screws aren't in properly. Cool. Okay. So yeah, what I was projecting for this. So for me, right now, this is an ABC from the all-time high at 109. So if I was to get it up, it would be a, probably don't have it on here, so yeah, that's fine. Like 0A, B, come on, man. C. And then obviously within that, you've got an A, B, C, D, E triangle, and then a W, X, Y, X, Z correction within the ABC. So this is just an A, B, C. So trend based, I think it's like a 1.272 or something. Yeah, 1.272. Take it off log. Around 1.272. Thereabouts. Okay. So within that, I think we're going to be targeting within this subwaves, in these subwaves. Right, there we go. Within these subwaves, 111 to 112,000 to make a new all-time high after this, to then drop to 105. This is all speculative. So what I'm thinking is from here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then from there would be a, what are we on here? Be in March? Yeah, way beyond March. So probably here. And yeah, oh, fucking hell. Five. March, and then an ABC. Something like this. A, B, C. Then one final rise, because we've got to follow the trend. Yeah, that would make sense if we retap that high there. So yeah, this is all just very, very speculative, obviously. You know, nothing's confirmed yet, but I would favor this sort of count. So going like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then let's see where we can go from there. I'm going to do a, why the execution still on that? Yeah, so what I'm going to do is take a fib retracement from this low all the way up to there. That's the CME gap. No, it's not. It's just the golden pocket. But the golden pocket doesn't actually really change that much compared to if we take it off log for a sec, and then put it on to here. This high here. So 71.72 as it is. So either 85 on here, or taking the entire range, 65 or 37, which I doubt that would be the low after this bull run. I think we're still in a bull run until proven otherwise. You know, nothing is absolute. Nothing is. Put those in a folder later. Delete those. Yeah. Yes, they're all going to be in a folder, but yeah. $64, which makes a lot more sense to me because it's this range here. That looks too perfect to be true. Or 36, which doesn't look right to me. So for me, if we go to 100 or wherever that major Elliott wave target was, if we go to 143, then and the bull run finishes there, then we can target 64, which looks perfect because it's within that range. I'll pull one more thing. I'll pull a fixed range profile of this entire 37-week range here. It's very difficult with this mouse, to be honest. Yeah, it was within here, wasn't it? Let me break out of that range. Right. Yeah. Let's see what it has to say. Right, I'm going to take that out of here because we actually did retest that. Come on, man. Let's take it back a bit. Okay. Bloody rattle. So that comes in perfectly at the golden pocket as well. So we can target that major Elliott wave. If we take this all the way up, I'm very happy to target that as the new target. Instead of 137, it's now 143, which I just find baffling, to be honest. But if we take this entire range here, up until thereabouts there, it lines up with the golden pocket. So yeah. Yeah. I'll take this range. I've already taken this before. This does not look organized. Take another one. So if that's the 382, That is most likely going to be the all-time high, because the 382 aligns thereabouts with this major Elliott wave target. Wow. And then also this 0.5 aligns with the CME gap. So that would make sense for us to come down there. This target's thereabouts the all-time high, or our next pivot on this bullish rise. If you remember, I pulled a trend-based fib. One, two, 1.618 in August. 2.618 in August. Nah. March or April. No, I want to get that exact, so I'll go back and revisit that. But this looks very likely and almost perfect for the overall. If there are drivers available for your mouse, you may be able to increase the polling rate, which would smooth it out some. Feel there are any drivers available for your mouse? I don't know, it's a 100 quid mouse. So they're not drivers. I'll look that up. So yeah, there we go. Well, I'm going to end it there because that was the train announcement, train horn. So I've got to go. Thank you, Stray, for following along. I hope I was of some help to you. Romanian VPN off. And I'll catch you later. Pleasant surprise. Yeah, next time I'll announce it in advance so we can have more people on here so we can do some more technical analysis. Nice. Catch you later, bro. Bye.